Hi, I want to redesign my scenario here, and the way that I want to redesign it is I want to move this pipe drive module here in front of this router. However, I still want this branch of logic to retain its position in this router sequence, so I want this branch to be executed before the other two branches. So I want an easy way to preserve the order of the remainder of the branch after I move this module down in front of this router. You can also see I've got a filter here, so I want this module to be after that filter. Okay, so to preserve the order on the router, I'm going to right click on the branch in front of the pipe drive module there, and I'm going to add a module. This module will now preserve the ordering when I disconnect the pipe drive module. So now that branch is preserved. Just need to put this in front of the router now. The way that I'm going to do that is right click and add a module. That gives me a clear branch that I can just drop this into. So that'll preserve my filter there before the pipe drive module. Okay, so all my errors are fixed. And then I just need to delete this empty module here. And if we order that, you can now see that the order on the router is preserved. My module is here after the filter, before the router.